Alright, so to reset the passwords in Workgroup PDM, we actually need to go in and modify some of the files that the server is using to store those passwords. So the first step that we need to do is we need to shut down the service. So you want to go into services.msc and just find that SolidWorks Workgroup PDM server service and stop it. Turn it off so we can make our changes. Now once this is done, you can navigate to the Vault folder. So that's the Vault data folder on the C drive. And we want to go into the PDM RC folder here. Now that's going to have all of our PDMW files. And the one we want to go into first is the admin, because we want to check and see there might be a user in there that we do have a password for, and we can use that one to get into the administration console. And then we don't have to do these steps. But if not, if we don't have the passwords for any of these users, then the first thing we'll want to do is make sure that PDMW admin is in there, and then we want to go into the users.pdmw file. Now in there, we're going to see all of our different users with kind of some text afterwards. It doesn't make any sense. What that is that's the coded copy of their passwords. Now to reset back to that standard default password that the PDMW admin user has when you first install SolidWorks, just copy and paste this line in here. And that's going to give it back that original password. So we just save the file. Again, you got to make sure that that PDM admin user is set up in that admin file. If they're not there, then this isn't going to help. We need to make sure that they are listed as one of those administrators. Now, once we've made all these changes and saved the files, notice there's this cache.store file. We want to delete that out of the data folder. Otherwise, everything reverts as soon as we start the service again. So now we start up the service, and when we try to log in, we see that we'll get full access back into the administration console.